Action without resistance grounded in narrative is simply meaningless choreography. Look at an amazing piece of dramatic writing like Breaking Bad. There are several layers of conflict. It's impossible to separate the conflict from the narrative. It's all baked in together, from the character's internal state to the external world. Conflict wasn't something added later. It was baked into the story's core premise. The entire show is an exploration of multiple levels of conflict. So, when writers receive the "it needs more conflict" notes, and we will continue to get that note often, it doesn't literally mean you should just add scenes filled with disgruntled people into your story. What it usually means is you've written an entire story based on a premise or idea that did not have adequate conflict baked into the core idea or the engine of your story. This doesn't mean you're a terrible writer. It usually means that what you wrote is not dramatic writing. You may have written something that is beautiful to read but is lacking in the dramatic doing department, which makes it dramatically inert, a dud that leaves people feeling as though it needs more conflict added to spice it up. My advice is not to rush out and add surface-level, superficial conflict, but rather to go back to your story's basic core idea and examine whether or not there is enough conflict baked into your story's initial premise. There needs to be enough to sustain the dramatic thrust throughout the whole story.